Ay, pabida. Ang Yoyoy Villamig hapon eh. O niya kung unang kantang gikanta niya kaniyantong elementary grade 6 pa ko. Pabida. Yay. Magellan. Pabida. On March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan, they were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Kastila gid at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha humabot meet him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu meet him on the shore and drag Magellan to go back home. And as the end of Magellan in the island of Mactan, long time ago, nagkaintindihan sila. Yes,